Hi, we are doing logarithm. If log 2 is 0.3010 and log 3 is 0.4771, find log 12. So now we will first factorize 12. 12 can be written as log, will be log, and 12 can be written as 3 into 2 square. Right? Now we will follow the law of log. Log A into B is log A plus log B. So we will follow that rule and write this as log 3 plus log 2 square. We even know that log A raised to the power n is equal to n log A. So that we will apply over here. That is log 3 will be log 3 and this will become 2 log 2. Right? So now log 3 value is 0.4771 and 2 into log 2 ka value is 0.3010. So we will multiply 0.301 with 2 and 4771 plus 0.6020, which will come out as 1.0791. Now we will see the second one, log 1.2. Now 1.2 means log 12 by 10. We know how to remove the decimal. So this will become again log 12 by 10 will follow the rule of log A by B. What is law for log A by B? Log A by B is log A minus log B. So this will turn out to be log 12 minus log 10 because it's A by B. So now log 12 can be written as 3 into 2 square. We'll factorize it minus log 10. Now again log A into B. What is log A into B? It is log A plus log B. So this will become log 3 plus log 2 square minus log 10. Log 3 value is given. So let's write log 3 as log 3. Log 2 square, that is log A raised to the power n wala law we will follow. N comes in front of the log. The power is shifted to in front of the log. So this will become 2 log 2 minus log 10. When there is no base, the base is assumed to be 10, right? So now we know that any log with the same base is always 1. Fine. So log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Log 3 is 0.4771 and 2 into 0.3010 minus 1. That will come out as 0.4771 plus 0.6020 minus 1. So this will come out as 0.0791. Fine. Now we will see the third one. The third one is log 3.6. We know 3.6 is 36 upon 10. So this will become log 36 upon 10. Again we will follow the rule of the law of log A by B is log A minus log B. That will become log 36 minus log 10. Log 36 can be written as factorize 36. So 36 when you factorize it will become 182931. That is log 2 square into 3 square minus log 10. Now this is log A into B. We have already seen log A into B is log A plus log B. So this will become log 2 square plus log 3 square minus log 10. Now log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2. Right? As we know log A raised to the power n is n log a over here. Fine. That is 2 log 3 minus log 10. Now we know the value of log 2 is given. So 2 into 0.3010 plus 2 into 0.4771, and log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. So this will come out as 0.6020 plus 0.9542 minus 1, that is 0.5562. Right? Now we will see the fourth one. The fourth one is log 15. Now log 15, how is 15 can be written as 3 into 5, right? So log 15 will be written as log 3 into 5. That is log a into b is log a plus log b. This is the rule. So now log 3 value is given but log 5 is not given. So what you can do is log 5 को अलग से solve कर लेते हैं पहले. Log 5 can be written as log 10 by 2 because 10 by 2 is 5, right? So this is log a by b rule we will follow here. A by b is log a minus log b. So this will become log 10 minus log 2. Fine. So 10, this base is not there, that means the base is 10, and log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. So 1 minus 0.3010 is how much? 0.6990. Now we have seen here it's log 3 plus log 5. So now log 3 plus log 5 ko we will solve. Log 3 is given as 0.4771 plus 0.6990. Add them up and it will come out as 1.1761. Fine. Now we'll see the fifth one, log 25. Log 25, 25 can be written as 5 square. So this will become log 5 square. Now we know log a raised to the power n is n log a. So we'll follow that law. That will become 2 log 5. Now log 5, again I'll show you, log 5 can be written as log 10 by 2, right? And log a by b is log 10 minus log 2. That's the rule. Log a by b, this is a by b, is log a minus log b. So log 10 minus log 2. Log 10 to the base 10 is always 1 minus log 2. Log 2 is 0.3010, that is 0.6990. So this will be 2 into 0.6990, that is 1.3980, right? Now we will see the sixth one. The sixth one is 2 by 3 log 8. Now 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. So this can be written as 2 by 3 log 2 raised to the power 3. We know log a raised to the power n is n log a. So this 2 by 3 will be written as it is, and this will become 3 will come in front of log 2, right? So this will become 2 into log 2. What is the value of log 2? Is 0.3010. This will become 0206. That is 0.6020. So this is how we will find